Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share files and folders in Dropbox securely, efficiently, and with full control over who can access your content. So let's get started. First, log into your Dropbox account. Open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Dropbox home screen. From here, browse through your files and folders to find the item you want to share. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to locate it quickly. When you find the file or folder you want, click on it to highlight it. Now let's open the sharing options. Select the file or folder, and you'll see a share button appear. If you're using the desktop app, you can also right-click the file or folder to open the sharing menu. Click the Share button, and a pop-up window will open with all your sharing settings. At this point, Dropbox gives you two main ways to share your content. Share directly with someone using their email address, using the Transfer a Copy option, or create a shareable link that you can send through email or other messaging apps. Let's start with sharing via email. In the sharing pop-up, click Transfer a Copy. Since we want to send it through email, select the email option. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. If you want, add a note in the message box to give context or instructions. Once you're ready, click Send Transfer. Dropbox will email a secure link to your recipients automatically. Now let's check the recipient's email. Open the inbox, and you'll see the email has arrived. Open the email and click Download to access the shared files. Now let's look at sharing through a link. If you prefer to send a link yourself, select the file or folder you want to share. Click the Share button again. Dropbox will generate a link that you can copy and share through email, WhatsApp, Messenger, or anywhere else. Once the link is copied, create an email, enter the recipient's address, paste the link, and send it. On the receiving side, when they open the email, the link will be there. A shortcut method to access both sharing options is to select the file or folder and click the link icon next to it. The link will be created and copied automatically. Similarly, to share it through email, click the three dots, and a menu will appear. Select Share, where both options are available. Sharing on mobile is just as easy. Open the Dropbox app on your phone, find the file or folder you want to share, and tap the three dots next to it. Select Copy Link, just like on the desktop version. And that's it. You now know how to share files and folders in Dropbox, whether you're on a computer or a mobile device, and how to control access with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy tech lessons.